Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. And let me guess, it's time for the scheduled maintenance on your Polaris ATV or side-by-side. So, what type oil or kit are you going to need to pull this off if you're wanting to be adventurous and do it yourself instead of taking it to the dealership? Well, let's look at a couple of different options and then we're going to guide you in the direction to where you can pull this off on your own. So let's go. Now, which type of fluids are you going to need to do a basic maintenance on your machine? Well, the first place you need to go look is in your owner's manual. Now, if you've lost that, there is no excuse because Polaris has an open to the public website where you can drill down into your year, make, and model and get right to your owner's manual. Now, inside of that manual, there's going to be a lot of information. It's going to give your schedule as to when you're supposed to perform maintenance items. Now keep in mind it's going to be vastly different in between a Ranger and a RZR, dramatically different once you start looking. Now also while you're in there, it's going to give you guidance as to what type of fluids may be best for your application. Now if you're in a really hot environment, you may need to go to the PS4 Extreme. If you're in a normal environment and you're not really running your machine that hard, the regular PS4 might be all you need for your application. Now, these guidelines, they also apply if you have a diesel engine. Normal environment, good to go. If you're really working it hard, you may need to step it up to the heavy-duty application. Now, I know so far we've just been talking about oil change for the engine. The other fluids you need to really keep an eye on are your front differential as well as your transmission or transfer case. Now for those, there's only two fluids and it's really easy to remember. Front gear case, demand drive. If it's in the back, AGL, pretty simple. Now my rule of thumb on this, for every 4 oil changes, I go ahead and do both the front gear case and the rear. Now by doing that, it's also going to keep you out of trouble if you're starting to lose a seal, either front or back. Because when you drain out that fluid and it looks like a chocolate milkshake, you know that you need to go and address those seals or you could lose your entire gear case. And they are not cheap. Cheap insurance, check it often, and this will keep you from spending a whole lot more money further down the road. Now for those of you that truly push your RZR to the max, Polaris has developed a formula for their race machines. Now it is not a multi-weight, this is a single weight 40 and it is designed for the hardest of racing applications when you're going to be in the throttle all the way, all day. This can keep your engine safe. So now let's say you've decided what type of oil you want to put in your machine. The good part is Polaris has a wide range of kits for whatever oil you've chosen and specific to your machine. All you need to do is go to Partzilla.com and you can already see that I've got a 2021 Polaris RZR Turbo S as my selected vehicle in my garage. Now if you need to add in a different one, you can just go into my garage. You can see where my vehicles are, but you can go in and put your category, the type, which is going to be UTV, make, Polaris, the year, and your model. But all I have to do is select that one. Now with my unit selected, put in oil change or oil kit, just anything like that where it can narrow it down. Now the other important thing that you need to add, view only parts for your particular unit. There you go. Now we have the choice in between the PS4 Extreme Duty or just the regular oil change kit, which is sitting in front of us now. Verifies that it fits your particular unit. Head to the checkout. And that's all there is to it. So that's how easy it is to select and order your oil change kit. Now let's take a look in a couple of them that I have on the table so I can show you what to expect when you order yours. The correct amount of oil for your machine, oil change sticker, oil filter, and most importantly, oil drain bolt washer. So you are good to go. So that's everything you're going to need to get your oil changed. But if it's your first time, there may be a couple of things I need to show you that you haven't thought about yet. Polaris has put together a fantastic starter kit for your first oil change, and you'll use it for, well, the rest of your career. Probably not only for your Polaris, but probably also your truck or car as well. Let's take a look inside of it and see what all it has. Drain pan, really sturdy, liking this one. I've used some cheaper ones in the past. The sides just fold, especially when they're full of oil, and you can imagine what ensues. Makes a mess. Funnel, really cool. Oil filter wrench. They're thinking ahead. A couple of pairs of gloves, cleanup towels, oil absorption blankets. And if you do get some oil on you, even some wipes. So a very comprehensive kit that's going to help you get through multiple oil changes over the life of your machine. Now, before I let you go, one more item I want to show you. If you're doing your front differential or your rear transmission, it can be challenging to pour this into a hole the size of your thumb, if that. So, of course, Polaris has a oil pump available. Really simple to use. Now that alone, it will go just about to the bottom of a regular 1 quart. However, if you're using a gallon size, it has an extension that can reach all the way down to the bottom. Now it can be challenging to try to get this tip all the way up to your front differential. So just pick up some 3/8 fuel line. That way you can get it all the way into the fill plug. All right, guys and girls, there you go. Really simple to do. Don't be afraid to go out there in the garage and tackle this on your own. However, if you're still unsure which kit or oil or anything else that you may need for your machine, why don't you just go ahead and give us a call or drop us a line in the chat, and we can guide you in the right direction to get it taken care of. We just want to say thanks for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you out on the road, track, or trail. Y'all take care.